Anxiety. Anybody has anxiety here? So what is anxiety? Anxiety is past related or future related? Future. Fear? Both. Guilt? Guilt is past, right? So you have one past fellow, one future fellow, one past future fellow. This is wholesome. Is everywhere. Stress is everywhere. So anxiety is future. If somebody has anxiety, many people don't know that they have anxiety. That is the problem. Suppose I will tell, hey, I am going to share something, and then I don't talk. If somebody is restless, they have anxiety. Tell me, no, sir. Why are you killing me? What is making you stop? I'm thinking about it. Open your mouth, no. Oh my God, this is anxiety. In 5 minutes, some examination results, anxiety. Future, what will happen? A old lady was asking me, something which is going to happen in the future, what should I do now? I said, for something what is happening now, you fix. Something what is going to happen in the future, it's a probability, may or may not happen. When it comes, you handle it. But right now, fix what you have. Don't think more about the future. Plan well, execute well, leave it, enjoy the results. Worrying too much, it will increase your stress and anxiety shoots up. I worked with a girl who has the highest anxiety. I love to work with such people. Because if I am able to fix that person, then I can teach the whole world. It took 9 months, 90% anxiety is gone. And she is leading a big team now. And whoever comes with anxiety issue, I say, go to her. I don't want your anxiety. She is good at it. She knows exactly what works, what worked for her. Because she has read so many videos, so many books. She has done so many experiments on her. She is the best contact for anxiety. Yes or no? Somebody has gone through that experience, is expert. So I point out, for anxiety there, for fear there, for stress there. For meditation, you come here. For all the problems, you do a branch out. Got it? So, anxious is okay, but anxiety is too much. For such people, they are worried too much about the future. Worry, 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 worry. The mind is always in worry. And something is virtual, not yet happened. It's probability. Right? So how to calm your mind? You have to keep on repeating affirmations there, not other places. You have to talk to yourself saying, nothing is going to happen. Everything is okay. Calm yourself. Everything is good. Unnecessarily don't. You have to program your mind, calm yourself. Otherwise, anxiety will kill you. It won't drain you alone. It will drain everybody around you. Right? So, future is always a possibility and a probability. Worrying about it, no use. Because we can change the future. And any result comes, happily take it. And anything you feel lacking in your life, don't feel it as stress. Take it as area of responsibility. That's a beautiful word I always remember. Never say from your mouth, I have weakness. I have problem. I can't do. I am not fit. Because your body starts believing. The quantum says everything is at cellular level. And every cells, how many cells do we have in the body? Trillions. Every cell will start thinking, my boss doesn't know. My boss doesn't do, can't do. They are army inside you. You are programming them. And inside there is one story, outside you tell something, then the cells think, okay, my boss is cheating. We should also cheat. My boss is fighting, let's all fight. Inside there is a Dharma Yudh. Imagine yourself, not imagine, it's the truth, you are walking universe. She is a walking universe, she is a walking universe, she is a walking universe, and you are talking to other universes. They have a military, they have a huge population there, inside. If you show anger, you're showing anger to a universe. Don't mess up, no? Don't trigger. Anxiety, it's all about future. So, if there is something you want to achieve in future, if you are not able to do, first thing we should see is, did anybody program us? Did anybody program us? My entire childhood, many people told me he is unfit for education. Many. They programmed. Just with one exam results, just with one marks, they label you. So what do we get? Labels. Everybody is with rubber stamps. You suddenly see you are full of stamps. They happily stamp you. So I understood what all I am not. If you ask somebody, tell about yourself, they will tell lot of things. If you see 99%, it is not theirs. It is all others' stamps. And unless it's not truth, and they stamp you, they said, it is not possible by you. One fellow told me, you can't do meditation, you don't have that powers. It is his limitation, not my limitation. With our limitations, we limit others by putting a stamp. No mistake, because that word motivated me to do more meditation. It's how you take. One small boy came and said, sir, I want pyramid. I said, why you want? I am weak in maths. Okay, what else? I have poor memory. Oh, okay. Weak in maths. So the pyramid cost is 70 rupees. How much you have? 100. How much should I give? 30. You are good in maths. He said, yeah. But sir, I have poor memory. Okay. What is the last movie you saw? He told. Can you tell who the actors? He told. What is the story? He told. I said, you have good memory. He said, yeah. Then I said, you have good memory. Who told you you are poor in that? My mommy. So tell, I am not going to sell the pyramid. He said, thank you. He left. I lost a sale, but I won a heart. And from that day, I am sure he will start thinking, because he is labeled two things. You are bad at mathematics, you have poor memory. See? Which is not true. I remember when we are in the 7th class, my English teacher told me this. Who has poor memory? Everybody. Then she said the same story, a movie character. Then she made us realize we all have good memories. And suddenly that parent comes and says, my daughter is weak in physics. You hear that often? Weak in physics. Remember this. Weak. What weak? The marks are not coming. Why? She hates physics. Why? The teacher is bad. I had one classmate, his name was Shabir. His grandfather is a physics scientist. He always says physics is the world. Physics is everything. If somebody on the stage said something wrong on the physics, he got angry. He went to the stage, took the mic. He said, what nonsense, physics is everything. He lost the competition, by the way. So he loved that subject and he always stopped in that subject. So what is missing is the love towards physics. When I asked that girl, she said, I hate physics. Why? My physics sir I hate. So change the teacher, find some good teacher. Then they will motivate you. After my teaching, many people said meditation is interesting, sir. Previously we thought meditation is boring, it is not for us. But now they got some interest. Why? The teacher motivates you, the subject. They will show how important it is, how relative it is into everyday affairs. So find the right guru, mentor, teacher on each and every subject. Don't stick to only one guru. You will not get anything. Find 100 gurus. 100 mentors, 100 teachers, learn from everybody, learn from every book. Then you open up. You catch hold of only one person. He is only expert in one subject. What you will do? And if someday you will start hating him, then you will lose the path. Learn from everybody, learn from every book, learn from every video, learn from every movie, and hear everybody's life experiences. The best books are autobiography books. I've read so many autobiography books. So take care of anxiety. So worrying about the future, stop it. It's virtual. It's not yet taken place. Many people say, in my dreams I see what is going to happen next day. Before somebody calls me, I know who is going to call me. Happened? Before some accident happens, I know. When some incident is happening, I feel like I have already seen this. Anybody have these experiences? So many. How? Why? From where are we seeing this? Before anything takes place in the physical form, where is it? Astral form. In the dream, your mind is better. You go to the deeper states. Beta, alpha, theta states. It is not vibrating very high, it's vibrating low. So you are able to see the probabilities of the future, and next day you see it is taking place. That's all, the simple science. And if you can keep your mind in that deep state when you are awake, you can know what is going to happen next. It's how simple. Not everything, unnecessary, not needed. But what is useful, everything you will know. So the inner will guide you. The inner will guide you. There may be many opportunities you are not seeing. Now you will start sensing that opportunity. Though it may seem to be illogical, go with your gut feeling, go with your intuition, it will always work.